Hey guys, what up? Today is Tuesday, November 3rd, and it's my birthday. Today is also election day. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be kind of crazy.
I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Anyway, so I was trying to film like a little birthday TikTok or, you know, Instagram reel video. Actually, I'm filming it on Instagram because the song that I want to use is on Instagram, so I'm doing it on the reel on Instagram. I'm trying to film like a little TikTok video, but now my phone needs to charge. I'm trying to use this tripod to hold my phone. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, but now my battery is getting ready to die, so I have to let my phone charge for a few minutes so I can finish this thing. It's like the whole video, the video is only like 15 seconds long, so it's like to do these little TikTok, like, because I'm filming like different segments for each part of the song, and and then I keep filming each part like over and over again until it looks the way I wanted it to. So yeah, just to film a 15-second video be taking like, shit, I think I already been working on this for over an hour. Maybe, what time is it? It's almost 5 o'clock. Shit, yeah, it's for like an hour and a half, I think, when I started doing this shit. The sun is going down, so I need to hurry up and do this.
What that girl do? She a Instagram model. Who that girl is? She a Instagram model. What that girl do? She a Instagram model. Who that girl is? She a Instagram model. I already know that your clothes is revealing, but I need you butt naked, so I know you ain't stealing. Sexy in the avatar, savage like villain. If she ever like your post average, hoe get in the feelings. She don't need no titty job, them bitches sit up perfectly. Milking all these likes and views like she is about to nurture me. Curtains please, curtain please, somebody close the curtains please. She's killing these hoes, emergency, killing these hoes, emergency. Face filtered with a sunflower, she logged off about 1 hour. How the hell she do that shit? She turn y'all thirst to power. Every like she get metrics, yeah. She sells.
So it's the next day, and that reel that I was recording, that I spent all that time on, it disappeared. It disappeared. I don't know what happened. I think Instagram was acting up, so it disappeared. I had to re-record it all over again. So I don't know if the second one was as cool, but yeah, I had to do it all over again. So that kind of ruined things a bit. And the birthday was pretty cool. The election is weird because people already acting crazy and there's protests going on. So you know, I was just a little bit worried about, you know, if I went out, you know, I don't want to see nobody acting crazy on my birthday. But it was okay. Like, I don't know, at least wherever I was at, there wasn't nothing crazy happening. So I guess it was all good. But yeah. But anyway, so yeah, I got some balloons, of course. You know, I love my balloons. And I got a new iMac. This is my old laptop. But I got an iMac now, so it's lit. I just put this bow hair over the camera for now, because, you know, you gotta be careful, because you don't know who could be watching you. You know, I don't want nobody looking at my nakedness. You don't want nobody watching us, right? Watching my nakedness. Alright, I gotta pull my balloons down so you can see them better, because it's so dark up on the ceiling for some reason. But yeah, I got my balloons. I love balloons, guys. I love balloons. Alright, so that's it for my birthday, I guess. Even though I'm still turning up all week, all weekend, all week long. Yeah, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday week, birthday weekend, birthday. Yeah. Anyway, or all month long. Yeah. Scorpio season in full effect. November, baby. Scorpio season in full effect. Okay. Yeah. This year is crazy. This month is getting crazier. Everything's getting crazy, guys. Just be careful. Be safe. Don't do nothing stupid. Don't do nothing stupid. If some shit goes down, just stay your ass in the house. That's, you know, just stay safe out here. It's getting crazy out here in these streets, yo. Alright, I'm out.
Everything I do is way up, man. If anybody good, I swear it's us, man. I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm
What you doing? I've been living that life. Feel the Hennessy and it give me in my vibe. Smoke a lot of weed and it get a nigga high. But really to succeed, it is all up in your mind. Nigga, what you doing? I've been living that life. Feel the Hennessy and it give me in my vibe. Smoke a lot of weed and it get a nigga high. But really to succeed, it is all up in your mind. All up in your mind. All up in your mind. Really to succeed, it is all up in your mind. Really to succeed. All off in your mind. Smoke a lot of weed and I get a nigga high. Ay, I'm caught up living this life, I just gotta make it. Chances on the road when we risk it, we gotta take it. Bitch, it ain't no freedom out here, it's every free basic. Paper ain't gon' come to you, nigga, you gotta chase it. Call this shit a game, cause we gaming, but ain't to play with. Nigga, if you're thinking too much, I might rearrange it. Dog